Okay, so we are going to validate the cell. So in order to validate the cell, let's check our courses here. Okay, so let's first unmerge the cells. So we go back to our home tab and then click here. Then we go to unmerge to unmerge them. So we have them in just one cell. And we can delete the cell by right clicking and clicking on delete to get rid of that cell. This one too, we merge it. Okay, so everything here should just be in one cell, so we don't have to merge them. So I'm going to unmerge this one too and then delete this section. Okay, so we have everything in one column. We have everything in one column like that. Now let's validate. So to validate, you can first highlight the session, and then you go to your data tab. Then you move to data validation. Now you're going to say that for the settings, validation criteria should allow what? Then you're going to say it should allow a list. Okay, so a list where then we look for the source. Our source is here. Then we come and highlight this part. So like I was saying, you can move it down so that in future when you want to add more, it will still allow you. Once it's done, you can just click on this arrow here or click on enter on the keyboard. Then now the next thing is saying is input message. Okay, so in that cell, what should show up there? In this cell, what should show up? So maybe we can say select. Okay. Then error alert. So the error alert is when user enters invalid data, show this error alert. So what should they show when the user enters the wrong data? That is there. So we can say, oops, check and try again. So you can write anything. You can write anything there, but it has to make sense. Check and try again. Again, okay. You can do some exclamation marks. All right. Now that we've set up, so the settings, we have set it up, our input message, and then our error alert. So we can click on OK, and now you see here it says select. So when you click here, you have them here, and you can just select and go to the next one and select. Now watch this. If I should write something that is not there, oops, check and try again. You get it? Okay. So that is how you validate your cell.